Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate lead generation with Marketo, beginner guide step by step clearly. To automate lead generation with Marketo, first, log into your Marketo account. Navigate to the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the main features. Create a new lead generation campaign by selecting the Marketing Activities tab. Click on the New Campaign button to start setting up your campaign. Name your campaign something relevant to the leads you are targeting. Set your campaign type to default for standard lead generation efforts. Next, you will want to create a new landing page for your campaign. Select the Design Studio tab and then click on Landing Pages. Choose New Landing Page and pick a template that fits your campaign's goals. Customize the landing page by adding compelling images and clear copy. Incorporate a lead capture form by selecting Forms from the Design Studio. Choose the existing form you wish to attach or create a new one if needed. Make sure your form fields capture essential lead information like name and email. After finalizing the landing page, publish it to make it live. Now, go back to your campaign in the Marketing Activities tab. Add the landing page you just created to your lead generation campaign. Set up a trigger to automatically add leads to your database when they fill out the form. To do this, click on the Smart Campaign section of your campaign. Select New Smart Campaign and name it appropriately. In the Smart list, add a fills out form trigger linked to your form. Define the success criteria so that leads are only added when they meet specific requirements. Create a flow step to send a thank you email or a follow-up message after they submit the form. Optionally, set up additional flows for assigning leads to sales team members. Schedule your campaign to run automatically at specified intervals if desired. Test your campaign to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. Once confirmed, activate your Smart Campaign for lead generation. Monitor the performance of your campaign through the Analytics tab. Make adjustments based on lead engagement and conversion metrics as necessary. This systematic approach will help streamline your lead generation process using Marketo effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.